I spent $100 on Facebook ads, and I'll be honest, I expected big results. New leads, fresh traffic, maybe even a few sales rolling in overnight. But what actually happened was nothing like what I imagined. Because what that $100 showed me about online marketing changed everything. At first, I thought running ads was simple. You throw money at Facebook, create a clean-looking funnel, and boom, results. But the truth, it's a completely different game once you press publish. When I launched my campaign, the first thing I saw was chaos. My ad reached hundreds of people, but almost no one clicked. The click-through rate was terrible, and I started realizing something most beginners don't. Facebook doesn't care how much money you spend. It cares about how well you understand your audience. I had built a decent funnel, a landing page with a free offer connected to an email sequence. I thought it looked professional, but when I checked the analytics, the bounce rate was sky high. People were clicking, then leaving in seconds. That's when I learned my first painful lesson. Your funnel doesn't fail because of ads. It fails because of messaging. People scroll through Facebook fast. You have 1 second to grab attention, 2 seconds to build curiosity, and 3 to make them click. My ad was too safe, too generic, and online, average doesn't survive. So I changed everything. Instead of trying to sell, I told a story. I used a raw, honest hook. I wasted $100 testing this ad. Here's what I learned. Instantly, the engagement doubled. People love transparency. They don't want polished, they want real. Then came the second lesson. Facebook ads don't find customers, data does. In the first few days, my results were random. Facebook had no clue who my ideal customer was. But as I let the campaign run, the algorithm started learning. It began finding people who clicked, who stayed, who engaged. And soon the cost per click dropped by half, just because I gave the system time to learn. I realize that's where most people fail. They panic when results aren't instant. They stop too early before the data even starts working for them. The third lesson hit me the hardest. Your funnel is only as strong as your offer. I was giving away something people didn't really need, so I replaced it with something irresistible, a free checklist that solved a real pain point. Not a fancy ebook, just a quick, high-value solution. And that small shift changed everything. Within days, I started seeing results. My conversion rate went from 3% to 18%. Every dollar spent finally started bringing back leads. And I realized this. The power of Facebook ads isn't in the ad itself. It's in the psychology behind it. If you scroll through TikTok or YouTube, you'll see thousands of Facebook ads tutorials. Most of them talk about targeting, budgets, or placements, but almost none talk about human emotion. The reason someone clicks your ad isn't logic. It's curiosity. It's the fear of missing out. It's the need for a quick solution. So I rebuilt my ad around that idea. I used real screenshots, honest results, and a clear call to action. No fake hype, just truth. And it worked. By the time I hit $100 spent, I didn't make a fortune, but I made something more valuable. Clarity. I learned exactly how Facebook's system thinks. I learned that the first $100 isn't supposed to make you rich. It's supposed to make you smarter. Because once you know what works, scaling becomes easy. Once you find your message, your audience, and your offer, the ads start printing results. So if you're about to run your first Facebook ad, remember this. Don't chase perfection, chase data, test your hooks, tweak your landing page, refine your offer. Because behind every six-figure funnel you see online, there's a small $100 test that started it all. That's what mine did. It didn't make me a millionaire overnight, but it gave me the blueprint that could.